Contrary to what most have been told, which is to cleanse your hair once a week, even once every 2 weeks, shampooing is meant to cleanse your scalp. And you could do this as often as every day, every other day, depending on your scalp's needs. In today's video, we'll be talking about how often you should be washing your hair and proper techniques for shampooing. Hey curl friends, my name is Amina, your curly hair specialist, here to equip and empower you on your curly hair journey. Let's set the record straight. Shampooing is meant for your scalp and not for the strands of your hair. When you think about scalp health, the frequency of how often you shampoo depends on when you experience tightness, product buildup, excessive oil, or dandruff. In terms of hair growth, if you think about a hair follicle, it's like a little ditch, a couple little ditches in your scalp, and the follicles come out to grow. So if you have a lot of buildup, excessive oil, product filling this hole, it's going to be harder for your strands to come out and promote strong hair growth. Some scalps need to be shampooed less than others, and it's also dependent on your lifestyle. For example, working out or sweating a lot or using excessive amount of products might mean that you need to shampoo more often. Now, let's show you how to shampoo. To the salon! To begin the shampoo process, we're going to give the hair a very good water bath. So depending on the porosity of your hair may accept water or it may not accept water. So you really just want to allow the water to penetrate your hair before you start using shampoo. And then moving on, when you apply shampoo to your hair, shampoo is meant for your scalp. So we're here to cleanse your scalp. So we make sure, especially in the crown of your head, that the shampoo is spread everywhere. And if you don't feel like the shampoo is emulsified everywhere, go ahead and just open your hair up and make sure that the shampoo hits every area of your scalp. This is a main reason that a lot of people have buildup, is simply because they're not shampooing properly. So really make sure that the shampoo is touching all areas of your scalp and that you see suds before you start to massage and make it feel good. So you could also add water if you feel like for that first shampoo you're not getting enough emulsification. And then once the shampoo is everywhere, that's when you start the massaging process. This stimulates growth. It's not necessary for shampooing, but it feels really good. So we continue to massage while we shampoo. Note to everybody that everybody should be shampooing their hair 2 times. The first time removes all the surface dirt and it'll remove all of the excess oil. And then the second time will really get that deep clean to get all the buildup out of your scalp and off of your hair. The shampooing will also aid in starting to remove a lot of mats and knots that you have. So you see here that we're just separating some of the hair so that the knots can begin to come out. When you have knots, it's typically just a collection of dirt or sebum in that hair. So shampooing really starts the process of removing matting and knots. For our second shampoo, you can see that the shampoo is much more emulsified. You see a lot more bubbles, and we're still going through separating the hair to start removing the mats, along with making sure that the shampoo is hitting all of your scalp. So depending on the density of your hair, meaning how much hair is on your head, this could be a challenge to really get the shampoo to your scalp. And it's the most important part of the process. So make sure that you take your time and you allow for the shampoo to hit all areas of your head before you start the massaging process again. And all you need for the ends of your hair, unless you've been swimming or you know that there's an excessive amount of product buildup, is just to run those bubbles right through your ends. You could scrub a little bit if you feel like there is some buildup, but generally shampoo is made for your scalp, so you don't really need to do much in terms of washing the ends of your hair. Thanks for joining me at the salon. Today we went over how often you should shampoo your hair, the benefits that your wash day schedule can have on your scalp health, and how to properly shampoo. Thanks for watching, and remember, wherever you are on your curly hair journey, your curls are just as beautiful as you are. Bye!